The gator that we got came from Louisiana. Now I'm going to use most of the scarlet salt. We're not doing measurements here. So season of salt, I don't want to use that whole thing, but I mean most of it. Pepper, definitely don't want to put a lot of pepper. A couple tablespoons. That's good. Oregano, don't really want a lot of oregano either. So, you know, again, just a couple tablespoons. Got 1 paprika today. Got 1 paprika, half of it. Get rotisserie. Cajun based. We want to try to get it through like part of the tail. I want to try to keep it centered. That's about as good as we're gonna get right there. There's like a shortage of chicken right now, just because it's really cheap. Tony's injectable butter. I'm gonna take some of this and I'm gonna inject these chicken wings. What we did yesterday, I'm gonna put some jalapenos in there. Yeah. Now we're gonna wrap it with bacon. Putting the bacon on there, you actually gotta wrap it a couple times. Yesterday when we did this, the skull came off. And there we go, folks. Let's turn this thing back on and get her going.
Never have seen anything like this. What exactly does it taste like?
I mean, it kind of tastes like chicken.
Really?
So the temperatures are high. Yeah, they're like easily 180. Let's dig into it. Your first alligator rotisserie how-to video on YouTube. Wow, that's still really hot. Oh, really good. It's got a Cajun flavor to it. I mean, here's the tail. It's really kind of fatty. It does kind of taste like fish. I don't know what fish, but it's like a white fish. Anyways, I tried this out yesterday when the head came off, and the muscle meat is like, I swear that tastes like just like chicken. Well, see you again on the next WildFired video. You know, every time I do these videos, I go a little bit further in the hole. But you know, like, you really need to silence your phone before you start filming. Okay, I'll start there. Anybody seen the Tiger King?